So for example, today I am going to watch movie. But I am going to which specific movie? I am going to Superman versus Batman. Right? So what you say guys? Hey guys, I am going for a movie. And which movie? This is the movie. Similarly, you can say that I am going to for adopting Agile, but which framework? And you say I am going to use Scrum. So how many Scrum or how many Agile frameworks there are? If you see the Agile is an umbrella, right? It's a very big terminology, and it again divided into so many. What you say? This is the umbrella, and there are so many other frameworks is here. One is Scrum, Extreme Programming, FDD, RUP, DSDM, ASD, Open Source, right? Lean, RAD, and something called a Scaled Agile. Agile says that the basic philosophy in Agile is you should always remember IID, incremental iterative development. The whole philosophy of Agile or the Scrum stands with IID model. Incremental iterative development. Product owner, he has certain vision. He is taking input from the stakeholders, okay, customers and team feedback. He is taking that input, converting that input to a written format, right? And that's collection of user story or requirement is called as product backlog. Every product backlog item is called as PBI, product backlog items, okay, terminology. It is divided into three parts: fine grained, coarse grained, medium grained, okay. Fine grained is high priority, low grained is low priority, and then there is a collection. This is the product backlog. Then he is putting that ideas or the user story into a production house. That production house called as release. And here suppose in a year we have how many releases? Four releases, right? In a 1 to 4 releases. Every release is divided into how many sprints? 6 sprints, right? Every sprint if you do a June, it's a 10 days of work. Day 1 is the sprint planning meeting 1. So sprint planning meeting 1, they all get clarified from the product owner. What need to be delivered within that sprint is clear. Now the next is that here the owner is the product owner. The next is the leadership taken by the development team. What they need to define, they need to break this story into the task because they are going to execute it, implement it. They formulate a plan how to deliver or complete the user story. That's why they break the user story into the task. So sprint 1 planning meeting completed. The output of sprint planning meeting is number of user story which you are going to complete and how to complete that task, how to complete that user story with the help of task, right? Not only on that one, they estimate the task. What is the number of hours it will take for development, UI, DB and all. And apart from that, they also assign the task to team members. And that collection of list of user stories, tasks, and what to be delivered within a sprint, not in a release, called as sprint backlog. Backlog means to do. Day 2 development started. It will continue till day 9. Day 9 it will continue, okay? Till 8 days more. This is the 1 day, this is the 8 days more, which is day 9. And they complete the sprint here, day 10. So what is the day 10 is looks like? Day 10 is divided into 2 parts. One is the sprint review, another is the sprint retrospective. So what do we mean by the review? Review means whatever you delivered during this time frame, you demonstrate to product owner. Why we should demonstrate to the product owner? Because this is the checkpoint for us, milestone. And we want to secure the feedback from the product owner or other stakeholders. If we want to demonstrate, we cannot secure any feedback. So we have to demonstrate something, whatever the progress. Lesson learned, perfect. This is one I was expecting. This is the lesson learned for whole duration. It means, see, this is the inspect and adopt. Yes or no? Yes. You are inspecting and adopting for the next sprint. You are inspecting and adopting. This process is enabling for inspect and adopt for the next sprint. Similarly, sprint review is inspect or adopt or yes or no? Yes, because the product owner all giving the feedback, no, this functionality is not done, acceptance criteria is missing, that functionality is not working, this was my expectations, but you delivered something else, right? This is to be done in the sprint review. This is also inspect and adopt. But one good point, every day you conduct one daily stand-up meeting. Yes? Okay. So daily stand-up meeting is a small time, 10 to 15 minutes you come together, sit together, around together and then decide and discuss what I did since yesterday. It's not a status update. It's just clubbing together, just motivating each other. What I did since yesterday toward my sprint goal. To that sprint, I'm not saying the release, not saying the product or project level. Okay. Then the next step, what you say? What I'm going to do today till we meet tomorrow. This is your forecasting project thing. The third thing is that to deliver this task till tomorrow, I have this kind of roadblocks. So essentially, you are saying you are giving your commitments. What I did, what I am going to do what to the sprint goal. Yes. Yeah. And if you have any roadblock to